The CDi-L coin deposit solution is a lobby self-service device designed to allow retail customers and coin-positive business customers to quickly deposit large amounts of loose, unsorted coins in exchange for a voucher redeemable in branch or account credit when the machine is online. Using the CDi-L is quick and easy for both customers and operators. To meet the bank's Know Your Customer requirements, the transaction can initiate by asking customers to identify themselves in a number of ways, such as inserting a valid account card or entering their account details via touchscreen or keypad. Once their account has been validated, customers pour their coins into the coin tray and press Start Deposit. The machine will immediately start counting and validating the deposit at a speed of over 1,000 coins per minute. At the end of the count, the CDi-L will prompt the user to add more coins or confirm that the transaction is completed. Ultimately, the solution will print a unique receipt of the transaction, including branch details, account ID, timestamp, and amounts deposited by denomination. With this receipt, customers can go to the counter to redeem their deposit, or if the machine is online, just go about their day while the amount is automatically credited to their account. Coins are secured in a wheeled bin locked by a self-closing mechanism. Pickup by the cash management provider is as straightforward as printing an audit report and swapping the bin with an empty one. Our coin deposit solutions help financial institutions dramatically cut down on time and costs associated with receiving, counting, storing and processing coin deposits over the counter and the back office, fully delegating these tasks to the cash management provider. Our lobby range has a very small footprint and allows for plug-and-play installation, making it ideal for pop-up branches, shopping malls, business hubs, and any deployment where financial institutions wish to maintain or extend their offering of cash-based services without incurring large refurbishment and project management costs. Built to the highest industry standards, the CDi-L provides high capacity, low cost of ownership, and exceptional uptime. With 99.99% accuracy against counterfeits and miscounting, and by logging each transaction in detail, the CDi-L enables full visibility and control across your network at all times.